They say it takes a village, but what about those of us who don't have one? Hi, my name's Jessica Daylover, and in 2023, I used my platform to raise over $17,000 in just 60 days for an app idea that I had called Nuclear Fusion. Nuclear Fusion would be a community building app that helps folks find, build, and sustain modern villages and chosen family. Over the course of the next year, I built this incredible team right here to get us through phases 1 and 2 of our app build. And now 2 years later since the Kickstarter, this is the amazing team that has formed to get our alpha network off the ground. So it turns out that building an app is really fucking hard. And of course, when we got through phases 1 and 2 of our app build, we thought, how can we get a product out to the people right now so folks can start connecting, because the world is burning and we need each other more than ever. And that is why we launched the Nuclear Fusion Network, so that folks could start connecting while our development team continues to build the dream. The Nuclear Fusion Network is filled with people who have one desire in common, and that is to have a village and be a part of one. If you join the Nuclear Fusion Network today, not only are you helping us fund this dream, you can also start connecting to people from all over the world right now. There are 6 ways that you can find fellow fusionists through the network, and I'm going to show them to you right now. As soon as you make a profile, no matter what tier level you join at, you have access to this function right here called Find Fusionists. From there, you can sort by top fusionists, that's people most active in the network. You can search fusionists near you, or you can search by new fusionists. I search new fusionists probably once a week. When I click Find Fusionists near me, the algorithm shows me all of the people in descending order from closest to me to further away. One of the hardest parts about building an app based on connection, where a lot of people care about geographical connection, is somebody has to be the first in their city. So while we are growing, we are hoping whoever is seeing this right now wants to get in the network and help us put more fusionists on the map across the world. The second way you can connect with people is by searching through one of our 4 connection desires. And you can join more than one space and you can search through all of them. Not only do you have access to the other fusionists who identify with that connection desire, you can also post a classified ad. Here in the Chosen Family connection space, you see that somebody posted a classified ad looking for other local polyamorous families in the New York City area for occasional hangouts, bonding, and kid time. And here's a perfect example of what we mean when we say people are using our app to build chosen family and village. This person is in the DC, Maryland, Virginia area, and they are looking to collaborate on meals. They say the right person will enjoy snacks and be willing to let someone else into their kitchen. A third way you can find people you want to connect with is by exploring this space right here that we named ASL plus chat. And in here, we're asking for your age, your sun sign, and your location. And then we have all these other interesting things that we ask that you could then scroll through. You could search by hashtag. You could look for other hashtag parents, other hashtag autistic people, etc. And you can find people that you want to connect with. The fourth way you can connect with people is by joining some of our clubs. Like we have a monthly book club and a witchy spiritual club called Soul Squad. There are so many book nerds in our shelf life space, and they are bonding so much. They talk a lot, and there's just a lot of gooey connection making happening in this space. A fifth way you can connect with people is by checking out our Village Square, where people post classified ads offering housing, barter, and buying and selling things. Here's an example of a real classified ad offering a unique co-housing opportunity in Sacramento, California. And finally, we have these live community events and network events that you can join depending on the tier that you subscribe at. We have lots of events happening, and as we continue to get more funding and investors, we will continue to grow the amount of events that we are offering digitally online, and soon we will have ambassadors that will be offering events in your city. If our mission resonates with you at all, if our project is calling to you, please come join us inside Nuclear Fusion Network and be a part of this global project.